Hey guys. Well, we're in a familiar space, aren't we? Yeah, that's right. Back in using the basement testing space tonight. This is a Heritage Spector. I couldn't find the date on it no matter how hard I looked. I don't know if I'm just not looking in the right spot, but I have found these fans always kind of interesting. The version I really want is kind of like this one. It's still got the gold stripe, but it's got the stencil blades. That's the version I want. This one, I got it for I think it was like $10, but I got it was in the same box as a vintage fan, so 2 fans, and then a buttload of spare parts for $20. Wasn't all that bad of a deal. Plus, I kind of like these, not even gonna lie. I have it just, don't have it on a speed control. Well, I have it on that, but it's set to high. It's the old Silverline control. But yeah, trying to use this testing space more, a little easier to get to. Here's the light. Did not come with the globe, sadly. You're just making all kinds of racket down there, aren't you? Alright. And here's the low. Yeah, today we're starting low, medium, high. Bearings are a little tight in this fan. But other than that, it's it's alright. Sorry about that. I'm making this video like 2 in the morning. And the noise you hear in the background is just this fan here. Actually, I gotta make a video of that fan. Yeah, like I said, bearings are a little tight, although that is a nice low speed. Alright, let's go to medium. It's an alright fan for what it is. Yeah, these are very notorious for being noisy, so I'm surprised this one doesn't make all that much noise. You can kind of hear the bearings are a little bad. I haven't oiled them yet. I'll actually get a close-up so you can hear how bad these bearings are. Probably can't hear it all that well. Blades are a little out of whack, but that's pitch. Okay, here's high. Some of the brackets screwing to the blades are kind of loose, so it kind of makes this kind of vibrating noise. That'll go away. Yeah, it's not going all that fast at all. These bearings are very tight. Alright, then we'll do spin down. Spin down time's not all that great. Just for funsies, let's check out aesthetic low speed. It's on low now, yes. It'd be really dope if it had a low speed like this. think it's on low. Yeah, it's on low on the fan and low on the speed control. It'd be really dope if it had a low speed like this. Alright. That's all for the Heritage Spector. Thank you for watching.